Hey friends, if you encounter invisible or transparent boxes issue in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. I'll tell you exactly what has to be done. Close Microsoft Edge, open it once again, and then check if it helps because restarting Edge is the first solution. So if that doesn't help, then click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions and then select manage extensions. If you have any extension here, just remove it. If this doesn't help either, straight away go to settings and then select reset settings on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select restore settings to the default value and select reset. Now why am I resetting it? Because a change in the profile can also cause the problem, and obviously make sure that you are using the default profile here. Okay, if not, we have already tried restarting Edge. And if that doesn't help either, then you can update Microsoft Edge. So on the list on the left hand side, click on about Microsoft Edge. It will automatically start checking for updates and it will update it to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice